How long does a process typically take? Attorney Stephen Bliss says, "My clients always ask how long estate planning takes, and my joke is, I usually say that it takes 20 years and 20 minutes. It takes 20 years getting around to do it and showing up in the lawyer's office to get the estate plan done. Then it takes 20 minutes at your kitchen table with your spouse or by yourself to just answer a series of questions that I give you in the form of a questionnaire." In terms of how long does it take from start to finish, I have told many people that I have turned estate plans around in 24 or 48 hours for seriously ill individuals. For the most part, when clients come to me, we have 3 meetings. The first meeting is I get them up to speed on the probate system and the estate planning process and what are the things they need to be deciding on. Then, they usually come back in a couple of weeks and we do the planning meeting where we talk about who gets what assets, when do they get them, how do they receive them, and how old do you want the heirs to be before they get their money outright, who the trustees are, what do they want as far as their powers of attorney and medical directives, and, of course, discuss burial and cremation issues. We talk about who they want to be the person that controls the money, that makes medical decisions and financial decisions for them, and who they want to be the guardians for their children. Once that planning meeting is over, I then draft the documents and send them to the client. If the client is happy, then they come in for the third meeting where they sign, witness, and notarize all of the documents. At that point in time, then the only thing that the people have to do is fund their trust properly. Trust funding means changing the name on their bank and investment accounts to the trust and fixing the beneficiary designations on their life insurance and 401k accounts according to however we structured the estate plan. In a normal typical situation, it's usually 4 to 6 weeks from the first time that we meet until completion. However, for people that are in a rush because they are terminally ill or are traveling, that process can be speeded up as is warranted by the circumstances that I am dealing with at the time. For a free consultation, call Attorney Stephen Bliss at 858-228-4433 or visit his website at www.steveBlissLaw.com.